Guys, good afternoon. This is Teacher Paul, your Korean teacher for this afternoon. For today's video, let's try to practice on how to make a sentences using the subject particle. Number 1, Maria eat an apple. So if we will translate this into a Korean, Maria ga sagwarul mokda. Maria there is the subject which ends in a letter E. That's why you will add the ga. Sagwa is an apple. Then it is belong to an object particle. So that's why you will add the rule. Then mokda, it means to eat. So Maria ga sagwarol mokda. Maria eat an apple. Okay, number 2 example. So number 2 is Wajangshili o di emnika. So ibig sabihin, where is the comfort room? So the subject there is the comfort room, which is the Wajangshil. So Wajangshil ends in a letter L, which is the consonants. That's why you will add the letter E. O di emnika. Odi means where. Then emnika, you are questioning a person. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much. I just hope that you learn what I'm saying right now, and I just hope that you will